In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your birthday on Snapchat after a limit. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it's done, tap right here at your profile picture. After that, tap at that gear. Right here, you can easily find birthday feature, and if we get into it, that's where we can change our birthday. If we tap right here, we can select a different one and then hit continue to set it as your real birthday. However, at the top here it says choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited number of times, and if you have already reached that limit, you won't be able to change your birthday from here. However, we still have a workaround. If we head over back to settings and scroll down to support section, we'll be able to tap at I need help. Once the page is loaded, scroll down, tap at contact us, then select I need help with a Snapchat feature. After that, select profiles and communities because we have an issue with our Snapchat profile. Scroll down, select my profile, and then scroll down again until you find that item here next to still need help. We need to tap at yes. That's where we can enter our username, our email, and at that description field we need to describe our problem. You can write down here something like, hey Snapchat team, please change my birthday, and then enter your real birthday and hit add submit. That will send this request to Snapchat support team and they will help you to change your birthday if it is really your birthday. Keep in mind that they will definitely ask you to provide them with your ID or driver's license to make sure your birthday is actually on that day. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.